Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Redmi A1. So to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. So here let's do it manually. Click on Get Started. You'll be able to choose the account for the classroom, and I will use this one. You can always add another one. Then press on this plus button to join the class. Here you will need to enter the class code and then simply select the join and you should be with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.